Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Paneer Kadai Roast. Very easy, quick and delicious recipe. The best goes with rotis or pulao. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, heat a saucepan. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is nice and hot, add paneer cubes. Fry the paneer in low flame for 5 minutes. Flip to the other side when one side is golden brown. Remove the paneer from the kadai when all the sides turn golden brown. Now to the same pan, we have some oil left. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 onion cut into cubes, few capsicum chunks, and 2 green chillies. Saute well for 2 minutes. Then go ahead and add in 1/2 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of schezwan sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of soya sauce. Give it a nice mix. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Then add the fried paneer cubes and roast for another 5 minutes in medium flame. Now a delicious paneer kadai roast is ready. Serve it nice and hot with pulaus or rotis and enjoy with your family and friends. Very quick recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.